How much does it cost to open a Gold IRA account? Investing in a Gold IRA offers a secure way to diversify your retirement portfolio with tangible assets. However, understanding the costs involved is crucial. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here's a simplified breakdown. Initial setup fees. Establishing a Gold IRA typically costs between $50 and $300. This fee covers account setup by a custodian who manages your IRA. Storage costs. Gold must be stored in an IRS-approved facility. 1. Segregated storage, $100 to $200 per year for separate storage. 2. Commingled storage, $75 to $150 annually for shared storage. Transaction costs. Buying gold involves 1. Markup costs, 2% to 8% above the spot price of gold. 2. Premiums, extra costs for collectible coins or high-quality bars. Custodian fees, these range from $75 to $300 annually, covering account maintenance and compliance. Hidden costs, be aware of potential fees for account closure or gold liquidation, which can add $50 to $150. Overall, maintaining a Gold IRA generally costs between $200 and $500 annually. Despite these costs, gold can be a valuable addition to your retirement plan if approached with careful consideration. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.